What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be going over a few different things. Actually, what we're going to be going over is how you could actually use ChatGPT to generate you an income on Fiverr. I'm going to break down all the gigs, all the scripts, all the prompts that you will need to generate you some money. Okay. Now, before we get started, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So if you don't know Fiverr, you could come here, post all types of gigs. You can post whatever you want, whatever you specialize in. And what I like to do is do a little arbitrage type of deal to where you could kind of get something done cheaper, sell it at a higher rate. And you can do this with several platforms. So today I'm going to be just breaking down writing gigs. So just to start here, let's just see what it has to offer. List 5 writing gigs. ChatGPT 4 on Fiverr. There we go. So as you can see, even ChatGPT will have some suggestions for you. Brilliant, okay? So as you know, it can work on many different tasks, many different types of writing. So we got first blog writing. You can do blogs, product descriptions, okay? Now that's people need help with all of these. Now you can do social media posts, where you can help create engaging posts for different people to attract their targeted audience and clients, or client acquisition through social media. Then you can back door and do creative writing, like your scripts, different stories, books, things like that. Or you can do academic writing, all right? Different essays, papers, research papers about various topics that people would want to have written about. You can do resumes, like I say, video scripts, books, children books, all types of things. So let's take a look at the type of income you could actually generate here. And it's free to join Fiverr. It's free. You come on here, post your gigs. You could actually use Fiverr to actually enhance your gig description. I'll show you that as well. So it's first easiest thing you can do is actually do articles. Okay. And here we go. We got some of the listings here. $25, $35, $50, $70. Different listings. Let's just see what kind of income you could create. And with ChatGPT, a lot of the articles you'll just actually need to spin as well, depending on how you write your prompts. But you will need to spin that content so it's not plagiarized. But I'll show you that definitely in another video. It's different tools you can use to spin your content. It's different free tools and paid tools. But it definitely helps. ChatGPT will create you an article easily. Okay. So you can do articles, okay, SEO friendly. There's ways that you could even use ChatGPT to do your full breakdowns. You can do your outlines, things like that for your articles, and then even get them to write an SEO friendly content with your headers, different H2 tags, and all of that, websites, hyperlinks included. It's a great tool. Whatever you can imagine as far as writing, it could do. Okay. And now you can see here just with some of the blog posts that you could actually be outsourced for. You can make easily 30-40 bucks, 1,000 words easily, no problem. Then as you get clients under you, that's the key. Once you start getting some sales under you, things like that, then you want to go ahead and start increasing your prices. Even resume writing is really good. It writes really good for resumes, different breakdowns. Let's see, website content, that's really easy. That's kind of similar to blogs, but it's a little bit different. People may need different web pages specifically written, their about page, it's kind of close to like a product reviews, descriptions, things like that. Let's see what website content is actually doing. And actually, I'm gonna show y'all something else. It actually did something really crazy here. for proofreading and editing. But as you can see here, website content. So what you do, you go through here, find you a few good sellers that you want to kind of model. And then what you'll do is just basically starting out, if you're a beginner, come in and charge a little cheaper. And then as you start to get different your experience and your sales and reviews, then you want to start to increase your rates. But right here, like you can see, $30, 500 words, right? You could probably do it $25. $25, deliver it in 2 days. You can deliver it in 1 day, okay? Right? Offer the, with that ChatGPT, you could do it so much faster. So you could do 1 day turnaround, 24-hour turnaround. You can come in here and do all of these exact same services, all right? SEO optimization, proofreading. It'll actually edit you could put an article in ChatGPT, tell it to edit and proofread it for grammar errors, things like that, and it'll actually generate you a whole new kind of article that's actually that is actually in perfect grammar and edited right. It's really sophisticated. So you can come in here and model her, see what her premium service is. $60 for okay. So you could do this $50, for instance, and just come in and start building copy and sales copy. Now, there's specific prompts that you can use for that actually make your ads. I use it for ads, different posts, social posts, anything where you need any kind of ad copy. It's perfect for email scripts. I mean, you can do email templates for people. Of course, once people are signing up into your funnels and things like that, you have different products to be released. People are going to need email copy, all right? And this is you could do for each email, $30. Let's take a look at this one here, $60. All right. Look at this, one email for $60 with a subject line. You could easily beat that. You could beat the price, everything, up to 150 words. Now you could do 5 for $160, $65. You could beat this with ChatGPT. I'm telling you, you come right into ChatGPT. Because if somebody's sending an email, of course, they're not worried about the email going through the SEO process. So, right, and sales script of 100 words about a new online technology sale. And just give you an example. But it'll come out, look, subject line already here. And it'll literally come out you with the perfect email. All right. You can go in and tweak it, of course. But there you go. Right? How long did that take? No time. So you could write these emails for people. They could write multiple emails. You could say write 5. Look, right. You have 5 different subject lines for this email. And so then you could actually, this could be your bonus. This could be your add-on. This could be what separates you from your competition, right? Say you do your email and then you'll give them 5 additional subject lines, right? Now that's a booster. That's going to boost your sales. Okay. So these are just a few different ways just to how you can use ChatGPT and Fiverr. Okay. I'll definitely be going over some more tricks, some more tactics. So that definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't for more videos like this. And we'll be definitely looking for you in the next one. See you in the next video.